In this session, we will be learning about identify the different parts of IC engine. At the end of this session, you will be able to state the classification of engine and locate various components in the engine.
Engines are classified according to the following factors: number of cylinders, arrangements of cylinders, fuel used, valve arrangements, application of engine, cooling system, and strokes of engine. Based on the number of cylinders, engine can be classified as single and multi-cylinder engines. Single cylinder engine has only one cylinder, hence cannot develop more power. It is normally used only in two-wheelers like scooters and motorcycles. Multi-cylinder engines have more than one cylinder. Two-cylinder engines are usually used in tractors. 3 or 4 cylinder engines are used in cars, jeeps, and other vehicles. In heavy vehicles, 6 cylinder engines are used. A greater number of cylinders gives smoother engine operation. Based on the cylinder arrangement, the engines are classified as inline engine, V-shape engine, opposed engine, horizontal engine, radial engine, and vertical engine. In the inline engine type, the cylinders are arranged in one line. The length of the crankshaft is longer than that of the other types of engines, and hence a limited number of cylinders are used. Better balancing and more uniform torque is obtained in this type.
In V-shape engines, the cylinders are arranged in V-shape at an angle of usually 60 degrees. This engine is more economical and compact. For multi-cylinder engines, the length of the crankshaft is much shorter than that of the inline engine. In this type, the engine height is also lower than it is in the inline engine. In the opposed engine type, the cylinders are arranged horizontally opposite to each other. This provides better mechanical balance. This type of engine can run smoothly even at a much higher speed. It also gives higher output. The length of the engine is too much and therefore engine has to be placed in the transverse direction in the vehicle. In horizontal engines, piston always rests on one side of cylinder. Since the stroke of the engine piston is horizontal, the internal forces of the reciprocating parts, that is, primary and secondary forces, combine together and give an impulse to the chassis frame of the vehicle. If the cylinder head is towards the front of the vehicle, then a driving pulse is obtained from the engine. In radial engine type, the cylinders are arranged radially. This type of engine is shorter, lighter, and more rigid. Since it is rigid, a higher engine speed is possible and a higher combustion pressure can be obtained. This leads to high fuel efficiency. The radial type engines are used mostly in aeroplanes. Vertical engines remain straight and has vertical stroke of the piston. The crankcase is at the bottom and stores lubricating oil for splash lubrication. The weight of the piston is carried by the crank. Therefore, the weight of the piston does not wear the cylinder liner during motion. Based on the fuel types, engines are classified as petrol engine and diesel engine. Based on the types of valve arrangements, the engines are classified as F-head, I-head, L-head and T-head engine. The engines are further classified based on the application of engine as constant speed engine, variable speed engine, cooling system, air-cooled engine, water-cooled engine, strokes of engine, 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine, rotary engine.
Now let us locate various components in the engine. Ensure the listed tools or instruments, equipments or machineries and materials are readily available.
Here are the various engine components. Let us locate the radiator, the air cleaner, the fuel pump, the carburetor, the dipstick, the dynamo, the fan belt, the crankshaft pulley, the self-starter, the exhaust manifold, the timing cover in front of the engine, the flywheel and housing, the valve cover, the oil filter, the distributor and ignition coil, the inlet manifold, the fuel pipes, the oil sump, the tappet side covers on the engine block, engine head, the cylinder head, the spark plugs, crankshaft, the oil pump, the water pump assembly, the timing gear and chain, the camshaft, the rocker assembly, the tappets, the push rods, the piston and connecting rod in the engine.
We have reached the end of this session on identify the different parts of IC engine. By now, you should be able to state the classification of engine and locate various components in the engine.